Zerion is a powerful crypto wallet and DeFi platform designed to simplify managing your digital assets. Whether you're an experienced crypto investor or a beginner, Zerion provides a user-friendly interface to track, manage, and invest in cryptocurrencies and DeFi opportunities. First, head to the Zerion homepage, where you'll see an intuitive dashboard that displays your crypto portfolio in real time. With integrations to major wallets like MetaMask and Wallet Connect, connecting your accounts is quick and secure. Once linked, the platform provides a holistic view of all your assets across multiple chains, giving you an accurate and comprehensive snapshot of your holdings. One standout feature is Zerion's ability to facilitate seamless trading directly within the app. From the Trading tab, users can swap tokens across multiple chains at competitive rates. Explore the Discovery section to find trending DeFi protocols, popular tokens, and new yield opportunities tailored to your portfolio. For those interested in advanced DeFi options, Zerion supports staking, liquidity provisioning, and yield farming strategies, all accessible from the same platform. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Back on Zerion, security is a priority, and the platform ensures a safe environment with non-custodial asset management. This means your private keys and assets remain under your control at all times. Moreover, Zerion is highly customizable, allowing users to set preferences for tracking and notifications. The app is also available for iOS and Android, making it a versatile choice for on-the-go crypto management. To experience all these features, click the link in the description to sign up and unlock a special bonus for new users. Don't miss this chance to streamline your crypto journey. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto tutorials, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful.